Hi YouTube, how's it going? It's JMDN Gaming here, and so if you saw the last video with the promotional packs, we have a spare 100 FIFA points, so we're going to spend that on a free 5k pack, and then we've still got 28k left, so we're just going to do a small pack opening. So let's get started. Hopefully we get someone better than we got in the promotional pack.
No.
These packs.
It's so hard to get.
On regular Ultimate Team. Alright, we've now got 29k. Come on. International Man of the Match. International Man of the Match, Team of the Season, or Legendary. If we're going to get a Legendary.
Joey Barton was the best. 375 rated.
Really unlucky with packs, but we have got some really good players. We've got Hunter, Diwasi, got Sanchez, Xavi Martinez. Oh, we've got a free World Cup pack. That's good. Sorry about the quality, it's not that good. Oh yeah, so I don't know if I've told you, but I have a Roxio game cap, and in 2 weeks' time my brother here is going to have an Elgato gameplay recorder, so we're both going to have recorders. And I'll be doing 360 games like GTA, I don't know, just maybe FIFA 13, probably not, but so yeah, I'll be doing games on Xbox 360 and my brother will be doing games on Xbox One. We've got 5k left and one free World Cup pack.
We won't open that in this one. Or the outcome.
What we're opening off camera, the World Cup pack?
Yeah.
If we get someone good. Just do it on camera.
No, because it won't be two different videos and it'll make it one video.
No, it's only one pack.
Yes, but it'll be two different videos. It'll be a World Cup pack opening and a normal one.
Right, so that's it for our pack opening. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you next time.